Hey guys, Dave here. On my last tutorial we talked about how to make quick set buttons so you can either select one or multiple controllers while posing out a character and make it easier while animating. One of my friends, Alan Tangino, asked me if you were able to make a shortcut key for these buttons we've created, and yeah, it is possible. So let me show you how we can make a shortcut key for the quick set buttons. First things first, we need to open up the shelf editor. Here are the shelf preferences. Okay, we have the window. Be sure to already have selected your shelf you're going to work with. And if not, well, you can simply look for it over here, the shelf editor. Okay, so those ones correspond to the ones I'm going to work. Then open up Window, Preferences, Hotkey Editor. Okay. Now, I need to put all my personalized commands on a category. You can either use the ones that Maya already has, or you can go here to the user ones, so it's easier for you to recognize where you have your stuff, and add a new one. So I'll add one. I'll call it all_select. In the description, I'll say selects whole Stewie rig. Okay. And then here in the command, what's gonna do? We go back to our shelf editor, we select all, go to command, select this, Command C or Control C, just copy it, and then paste it over here. There you go, and then accept. So it's created this command, right? It's linking the command for the quick set button. Then the hotkey. Be sure to have a combination that the software isn't using already, like Command S, that means save or whatever. So I like to use this method. As I know that it's my first button, I'll use the key 1, and I'll use Command. So it says here it's not assigned to anything, so I can use it freely. Because let's say if I had something different, like, I don't know, S, Command S, it says here it's already assigned. So the software is pretty neat in that sense. It'll tell you if it's assigned or not. So Command 1, it works for me. Assign. Okay. Then I'll go ahead and make a new one. I'll call it, the second one, spine_select. Select Stewie spine cord. Okay, then I go back to my shelf, look for the spine command, copy the command, and paste it over here, the hotkey editor, accept, and then on the second one, I'll assign, that's right, 2, and command. Okay, assign, there we go. And you can keep going with all your buttons here. And once you have them, you can go and just press save, right? Okay, so I can close this, and let's test it. Okay, so let's select the whole rig with the button. There it is. Okay, unselect it. And now if I press my shortcut, that's Command 1, there we go. If I press Command 2, that's the spine, or I can press the button. So you can do this with whatever you need as a shortcut. Just go to the Preference Hotkey Editor, and whatever you have selected or find it there, you can do it. There's another neat one I usually use. That's the center pivot point. Here on, where is it? Shortcuts. There we go. Thought I lost it. That's usually here on the modify, right? Modify. So as you see, it's the same thing you have in your menus, and you go for center pivot. There we go. And I had it with this command or this hotkey. I sang it to it because it didn't have any before, or by default Maya doesn't have a shortcut. So I used this one. Why Command M? I don't know. I just used it. Okay, so it's easier for me to go and, I don't know, if I make a new, let's say I make a new object, and let's say with the D key, you know, that's a shortcut for moving the pivot. Let's say I have my pivot over here and I want to center it. Instead of going to modify and then center pivot, you can see that the shortcut's already showing here, the one I assigned. I can just type Command M, and there we go. So it's a pretty neat trick to have your hotkeys and your shortcuts ready for customizing your scene and making things easier so you can animate awesome stuff, right? Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like what I'm trying to do here with the tutorials, and I'll be learning a lot from you too with the feedback. Thank you, Alan, for the question. I'll be sure to have more interesting stuff later on. And rock on, keep on animating, guys. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.